Namaste everyone, and welcome to today's meditation session. In today's class, we are going to learn about the Vijnanmaya Kosha. This is known as the wisdom layer or the higher intellect of ourselves. So let's get started with today's practice. Take a comfortable sitting position on your mats. You can sit in a cross-legged pose with your back against the wall, or you can also sit up on a chair. Just find something that you're comfortable in that you can sit in for the next 15 minutes. Now, once you've come into this posture, place your hands in Gyan Mudra at your knees. Roll your shoulders up and back. And whenever you're ready now, slowly and gently close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, bring all your attention and your focus completely onto your breath. We'll spend the initial few moments just completely calming down the mind, syncing it with the breath, and surrendering fully to the mat beneath you. And now, as you feel more and more settled and grounded in yourself, let us take our attention completely towards our sense of intuition, what we also call our gut feeling, our instinct that's driven by intellect. And try and ask yourself that where is this situated? Where is my intuition? What layer does it come from? Where does it arise from? And how can I experience it? Sit with that question for a few moments in silence till you feel like you receive an answer about where your intuition is. And now, once you feel like you've received an answer, or at least heard a gentle whisper about where your intuition comes from, let us try and give this area a shape. We call it the Vijnanmaya Kosha, the intellect that is beyond the material world, and one that we are deeply connected to. Sometimes we're more in sync with it, sometimes we're a little less in sync. But we still have that deep intellect, intuition within us, and we'll keep trying to join it, to connect with it, and become more and more at one with it. Let's do that in silence, in our own way, trying to come home to our intuition. Stay and breathe. And now, gently and slowly, start to bring your attention back, all the way back into the present moment. And as you begin to return, start to take your time, collect your learnings from this intuitive layer, how you felt connecting to a much higher version of yourself, and bring all of that back into this present moment. feeling relaxed, feeling prepared. And then we move to the end of today's session. So bring your hands into a Namaste at your chest. We will be chanting 1 Om and 3 Shantis. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And then gently rubbing your palms together. And when you're ready, placing the palms on your eyelids. Gently releasing the hands and bringing them in front of the chest. Opening your eyes to look at the palms. And then slowly coming back with a smile on your face. So this was our meditation practice for today. I really hope that you were able to connect with your Vijnanmaya Kosha. It can definitely seem like this kosha is a little bit out of reach in our daily lives, and it sometimes feels like, is our intuition even guiding us, or are we just all up in our minds all the time? But trust me, I think that all of us have that capacity to speak with our higher selves and to really embody the intuitive beings that we are. And that's why yoga is there, to kind of help you to tap into this Vijnanmaya Kosha, which normally would be a little out of reach, but through the process of yoga becomes so much more accessible. And I hope that you continue this practice so that tapping into this kosha is not just an arbitrary thing, but it becomes a consistent habit. And with that, we'll see you tomorrow for day 17. We're nearly at the end of our 21 days, but we have some more days to go and we complete making this a habit. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for being with us and Namaste.